Welcome guys, this is Claudette with MsPuff Creative Corner, and today I am going to be stopping by my neighborhood Dollar General store. I'm hearing that they have some great deals that's even better than the Dollar Tree. So if you guys are interested as I am to see what they got, please do stick around. Let's start off in the gift packaging area. You get these fabric bags, 2 for $1. So you get 1 for 50 cents. These are really nice DIY blanks to have. Then you have these single novelty bags, and those are little mini novelty bags. I love the elf one. Then you have the bakery bags. You get 4 for $1, and they have the metal to the top where you wind it down. And then they have loot bags. You get 4 for $1 too as well. And they have the handles to the top. Then they have these bottle bags. You get 2 pieces, and those little hats for the top of your bottle. This would be perfect for a nice DIY. So you get 2 pieces for $2. They have the 5-count gift bags for $4. So each you getting less than $1. Each bag is less than $1. So if you like the natural looking colors, they have those gift bags too as well. 5 for $4. Look at this cute Santa with the drawstring, and he is puffy too. That's a novelty bag. Then you get 4 gift boxes for $1. You can't beat that. Then they have 2 gift bags for $1, and they have beautiful designs on there. And I especially like the little gingerbreads. And they have the red truck. I love the red truck too as well. On the gift boxes, you have a selection of 6-pack for $4 or 2 packs for $2. That 6-pack is a steal, like 66 cents for 1 box. That's awesome. Then you have your gift tissues. You get 5 sheets for $1. And they have all sorts of design. I like the black and white checkered design, and you also have the Christmas bulb designs. Then you get the value bags. You get 6 in a pack for $5. Again, these bags are less than $1 each. So also take note that these are good size gift bags for less than $1. Then you have these mini drawstring bags. You get 2 in a pack. Really love the peppermint stripe one. Then these scented brooms, guys. These were such a nice scent. So you had the pumpkin spice as well as the cinnamon scent, and they were really strong, just for $1 each. And now we're in the ornament section. Look at all these beautiful ornaments for $1. That really beats the Dollar Tree. They have the Santa sacks, multiple colors. Look at the reindeers. They have them in red and a neutral tone. I love this red truck with a Christmas tree in the back. Oh, for $1. Oh my gosh, that's an excellent price. And the Christmas wreaths, these little mini wreaths, you have 2 designs here to choose from. And you could see on this shelf, they're still packing the shelves. And these metal plates, I love these. These are nice for DIYs. You have 2 designs to choose from. See, they have the plan set up and how they're supposed to stock the shelf, so it's many more to come. They have these wooden signs with the beads on top. They have in green, neutral and white. I love snowmen and gingerbread pieces. They have Mr. Santa Claus, and they have the puffy snowman. One has a top hat and the other one have like a knitted hat there with the little white fur around it. Then look at these mistletoes. You have the one with a natural bow, and then you have the one with a gingham black and white bow. And if you're into these bright festive colors for the holidays, you have several to choose from. Look at the little snowflakes in those colors too as well. And the donuts, if you're into doing the candy cane lane, look at these donuts for only $1. And these are some little penguins. You could repaint those if you don't like those colors. And then they have more of the Santa sacks. So these antlers will be great for DIYs instead of being a standalone piece. So, and these pieces here, we have the circle blocks with Merry, Peace, and Joy, and they have beads around that. These would be awesome for DIYs. And look at the bucket pails with the snow and the pine cones. So you have those two designs to choose from. So the buckets are flat in the back, so it could be placed flushed against any surface. The snowman, you have two designs with two different sayings to choose from. And look at these wood rounds. These are actually made out of MDFs, but they are nice and thick. These are cute. And then they have these wood slices with different sentiments on this. Cute. And then you have two of these arrow signs, one with a deer and one with the polar bear, one in a neutral color and one in a green. And look at these stars. These are stuffed and fluffy. They have buttons on it. You get 3 in a pack, and the poinsettia, you get 3 in a pack for $3. So you're looking at $1 a piece. And then you have it in your neutral tones too as well. And they have the fabric cover bulbs, and you get 3 in a pack for $3. Great deals. I love the plaid. And look at these wooden spoons. These are so nice to give as gifts, especially for those that love to bake. And I love this one with the gingerbread on that, and that's going home with me, of course, just for $1. I have only two designs I've noticed here, but these wooden spoons are so adorable to decorate your kitchen for the Christmas holidays. And look at this beautiful serving tray that says Merry Christmas on it for only $1, and you have a little gnome on there. This is so cute in your red and black checkered print. You also get chair covers and aprons for $1. And then you have your pot holders with multiple designs for $1. Then you have your mini mitts and your regular mitts and so many cute designs. Then they had this Mason embossed jar that says candy cane. This one also went home with me. They have the red lid with the candy cane on the top. They had larger ones as well for $2. I love how that green and white looks. So if you're new to my channel and you like what you see here today, hit the subscribe button as well as that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. And they also had placemats for $1. cute little gingies. And then they had the serving plates. I love the designs on these. And they had them in the color of silver and gold too as well. Then you have the mugs for just $1. I love the one with the red truck. You have one with the Christmas tree. It says Merry Christmas. And look at these containers. So they have I got the one with the truck. I love the green. You even have it red and white with the little gingies on there to put your baked goods on. And they have the scallop lids to match the top of it. So this is really a nice buy for only $1. Then you have your fillable plastic ornaments, and these are nice to create like shaker ornaments. They had some great deals on the end shelves too as well. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for following along with me today. Until next time, this is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.